Hey guys, so have you two been eating mud all monsoon? Or does your fork not allow you to attach a mud guard to it with the help of screws? If that's the case, this video is the right place for you. I'll be showing you how to make a mud guard that costs you well under 100 rupees, that too with the help of only zip ties, a file cover and a black tape. If you find this video to be helpful, do press the like button and hit the subscribe button.
First off, find a plastic sheet like the one this file's cover is made of. You can also use an extra plate, but the plate might break soon. I'll provide the link to the template designs in the description below. Next, you'll need a marker or a pencil and a scissor. Outline the template on the plastic sheet neatly. Carefully cut out the outlined portion and make sure that the edges are smooth. If you're using an extra plate, the edges might be sharp enough to give you cuts on your hands. You can use black tape or any tape on the edges to be cautious. The holes will be marked on the template. Make the holes just big enough so that the zip ties pass through. You may or may not want to put electrical tape right where the zip ties will be tied to prevent paint abrasion. Tape will also protect the fork when you cut the zip ties with a scissor or a blade. Pre-insert the zip ties in the mudguard to make the process easier. Now slide the mudguard under the arch. Don't tighten the tie all the way at once. First, loosely tie them so that you can position the guard in place, and then tighten it. As you can see that the guard is not staying in place, be patient and position it well. I couldn't find black zip ties, so I'll have to make do with the white ones for the time being. Now, remember not to tighten the zip ties so much so that, well, this happens. Cut the extended ties with scissors. You can put stickers on it. I personally like it clean. This small guard may not look much, but will definitely stop mud or dirt from flying to your face.